JEE loves asking questions on solutions of a trigonometric equation. And this is another classic question from JEE Advanced 2016. Let's learn how to solve it. This is our trigonometric equation, and we have to find its solutions, which are in the set S, which is minus pi to pi. First, we will simplify the equation. And to do that, we will write all the expression into sine and cos. So our equation will be root 3 over cos x plus 1 over sin x plus 2 into sin x by cos x minus cos x by sin x equals to 0. And next is we will take LCM, and the LCM will be sin x cos x, and numerator will become root 3 sin x plus cos x plus 2 into sin square x minus cos square x equals to 0. And we can see that the denominator can be converted into sin 2x. Actually, it is sin 2x by 2. And for this expression to be valid, it should not be equal to 0. And we are already given that x is not 0 or plus minus pi by 2. Therefore, this is not 0, and that is fine. And we can take sin x cos x to the right hand side, and it will be 0. So that's okay. After that, this is our equation. Now, what we see in this equation, we can see that this is cos 2x, and this can be clubbed into just one function. So let's do that. First, we will divide it by 2 so that we can combine these two terms into just one. So this will be our equation, and we will take this to the right hand side. And we can see that the right hand side is cos 2x, and we want cos on the left hand side as well so that we can equate their arguments. So left hand side can be cos x minus pi by 3, because it is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. And now we can write relationship between x minus pi by 3 and 2x, which is 2n pi plus minus 2x. And here n can be negative, 0, or positive. It can be any integer. And to find the solutions, we have to do an exhaustive search and only take those values which are between minus pi to pi. So let's do that. At first, let's find value when n is equal to 0. So in this case, x minus pi by 3 is plus minus 2x, and it will give us two values. One is x equals to minus pi by 3, and second is x equals to pi by 9. And the next one is when n is equal to 1. So our equation will be 2 pi plus 2x, and the second one will be this one. And from the first one, we can find that x is minus 7 pi by 3, and this is definitely less than minus pi, so we ignore this. And this one gives us 3x equals to 7 pi by 3, and x is equal to 7 pi by 9, which is less than pi, therefore we will take this. Now let's check for minus 1, and x minus pi by 3 equals to minus 2 pi plus 2x, and x minus pi by 3 equals to minus 2 pi minus 2x. And in this equation, our x is equal to 5 pi by 3, and this is greater than pi, so we ignore it. And from this equation, our 3x is equal to minus 5 pi by 3, and x is minus 5 pi by 9, and this is in the range, so we will take this. And we need to check two more cases. One is n equals to 2 and minus 2. And we can see that none of these solution will fall in the given range. Therefore, we don't need to check further. And our summation of roots will be minus pi by 3 plus 5 by 9 plus 7 pi by 9 minus 5 pi by 9, and this is 0. Therefore, our answer is C. I hope you liked this solution. Consider subscribing this channel and give a like.